I welcome you all. 1.5 Radical equations. An equation involving expression under the radical sign is called a radical equation. All we know that this is the radical sign, and any equation under this radical sign is called a radical equation. For example, square root x plus 3 equals to x plus 1. This is a radical equation because this is the under radical sign. This is also the radical equation. Equations of the type square root ax plus b equals to cx plus d. This is the type 1 for radical equation. We are going to discuss 3 types for radical equations. Solve the equation square root 3x plus 7 equals to 2x plus 3. That means how to solve this? Just take square on both sides of the equation 1. You will get 3x plus 7 equals to 2x plus 3 square. This is 2x plus 3 square. There is a formula which is used here, that is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now a is 2x, b is 3, so there is 4x square plus 9 plus 12x. Now shift some constant terms 7 and 3x on the right hand side of this equation. 4x square plus 9x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now apply the quadratic formula. This is the quadratic formula which we discussed in our previous lessons. Minus b square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, apply this according to the equation. A is 4, b is 9 and c is 2. After simplification, after you apply the quadratic formula, you will get 2 roots of the equation, that are minus 1 by 4 and minus 2. Now put these roots one by one in the equation which is given, square root 3x plus 7 equals to 2x plus 3, and check whether they satisfy the given equation or not. X equals to minus 1 by 4. When you put it in equation 1, we have 5 by 2. 5 by 2. There is a square root 5 by 4 which is also 5 by 2. So this is true. It is satisfied. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is the root of the equation. Second one, x equals to minus 2. The equation 1 we get is square root 1 and minus 1, which is not true. That means minus 2 does not satisfy the equation 1. So it is an extraneous root. It is an extraneous root. And the solution set is minus 1 by 4. Type 2. Equation of the type square root x plus a plus square root x plus b plus equals to square root x plus 3. Solve this type of equation. Take square on both sides. Okay, when you get square on both sides, it becomes x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus 2. There are 2 terms, and when you get take square on both sides, it will be like this: x plus 3 plus x plus 6 square equals to x plus 11. Okay, this is a, this is b. There is a plus b whole square. Again you can use formula. A square is x plus 3, b square is x plus 6, and 2ab. 2, this is a, this is b. Now shift the values of x and constants to your right. You will get minus 2 plus minus x plus 2, and on the left it becomes this. You can write these 2 terms under one root, because this is the law. If square root a and square root b, okay, then you can write it as square root of a b. Clear? Now again take square on both sides of equation 2. You will get 4 into this equals to x square minus 4x plus 4. Again there is a square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. After some simplification, you will get a quadratic equation. apply the quadratic formula in this quadratic equation, you will get minus 2 and minus 34 by 3. Now x equals to minus 34 by 3 when you put it in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1 we have this, which is not true. This is not equals to this, that why it is not true. So minus 34 by 3 is extraneous root and the solution set is minus 2. Equation of the type square root x square plus px plus m plus square root x square plus px plus n equals to q. Solve this equation. The first two terms of both expressions are equal. Always it is like this. Put x square minus 3x equals to y. You will get y plus 36 minus square root y plus 3. Just substitute this. Okay. Squaring on both sides, a square plus b square minus 2ab equals to 9. Shift these two terms to the right. You will get this y square plus 45y plus 324 equals to y plus 18. 2 cancel. This 2 cancel with this 2. Again take square on both sides. X square minus 3x. Again put the value of y. X square minus 3x equals to y. So x square minus 3x equals to 0. You will get two roots of the equation x0 and x3. X equals to 0 and 3 are the roots of the equation. So the solution set is 0, 3. In our next class we will discuss exercise 1.4. Thank you.